Yeah, man. Good morning, world. Pleasant and beautiful morning, you know. They here, you know. Out in the hills. Yeah, man, I want some bait because we are touch out there, you know. We are going to look some parrot today. We are look some jack and some snapper. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
They're on the other side.
See, look, you see right here hand there?
This?
Yeah. Should touch your waist there. Yeah, man. So as we say, we are going to go on some hunting in idea, yeah. Today, me, EJ, and Cubans, you know? Yeah, man, we there today and you don't know where going up, peeps. Hunting have to go on, you know? So, what we are do, look some bait at the moment. Then we head out at sea, see where we can accumulate up for the day. You see what I say? So, just go and take in. We are hunt the soldier crab them. You know, we show all type of way, you know? You see it, peeps. So, here we are going to go on now. Just leave a like on the video. Big up every viewer, every subscriber or subscribe to the channel. Big up people that reach out, you know, to show them love. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So let's go and keep it locked. Yeah, peeps out there, yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. The soldier crab up in the tree there, and so Cubans. Monitor them, I'm done. Yeah, man, so sometimes I saw the bait yet. You call, you know, scarce. So we have to hunt them, you know. No Cubans are real hunter, you see none? Cubans. Oh, couple of them well there in the side. Cubans, see them run come on the side. Where than should be stick. Come on, you know. Marksman, man. Only for them bungalow around here, sir. But yeah, I see them on the side there to Cuban. So we'll see it there, general. I find them, you know. See one drop there. Yeah, man. Then the right there, see them where. See one I come up to you there. Two there. This is what we got so far. You see what I say, we want at least 1/4 bucket, you know. Because we have spent one bad 3 hours up there. You see me 3-4 hours out there, you know. Pay soldier there on the back of field, you know, yeah man. So, see Cuban up in the tree there. You see me? Hunting my hunting the peeps. You see me? Alright, see the peeps. See it one drop. See what drop from him there. And I show you how up in the tree him there. I hunt them, you know. Now I wonder how you do it. Look on the maga limo you man turn up on peeps. Limo well maga. But the Cubans that, you know. Real general. See your height in there. Yeah man. High altitude, you know. So honestly now my viewers, I tell you the truth, we are search and look at my buck up one. Two of the biggest worm them I ever see right now. I don't know if I feel be scared or what, but look there. I'm huge in a piece. Me not touch him with my hand, but look there. Yeah man, him big, you know. Cubans are kind of worm this. You can't use as bait. Yes, beeps, look there. Come like say, it's a is a pair of them too, you know, call look there. The smaller one and the bigger one. Yeah man, but see when me come out here. Yeah man, soldier crab, you know. See them, eh? Them we are search for. Yeah. Yeah man peeps, this is how we find it today, you know. Yeah man, limited amount of bait, but we are test them with that, you see me? So we are head off to waters now. We are go flat rock. So if anything we can hunt off a 2 yard or 2. So people just go and keep it locked, man, you see me? IQ the Q ones. Yeah man. Yeah G. That's what I say, so out of waters we are going now. Yeah peeps. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, so we reach a water after a long journey, you see what I say? Yeah man. Sweating, the heat turn up, so try tie up my head to get some of the heat off of my face. You don't know? Yeah man. If you know what you are doing, you know, them sunny out here will knock you out. That's what I say. So we're outside now, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man, here, IQ that diligent up that line, you know what I'm saying, peeps?
That is it.
Yes, man. Cubans, you said today you murder something? Alright. Nobody tell you on the sinker before you tell you on it, he's sitting there in front of it. Yeah man, so I just cheer with our waters today, you know, peeps. You see me? Just reach, ready for throw our line. Yeah man. So today, I test myself today, you know, people. I carrying at least 10 fish. You get what I say? So, I catch 10 fish today, you see it? Yeah man, watch people, watch IQ a laugh, like a joke thing, watch him. There's a here John running from around there. Ah. Yeah man, see Cubans the peeps. Age the pan female, all females. You see it? So me no know about them, but me say me are carrying 10 today, you know. So I want to start count with me now, here. Yeah man peeps, so remember me tell us at 10 me are catching, the first thing we catch is a pilot, you know. Laugh man. Laugh. 9 more to go, you see it? Yeah man. 9 more to go. What you say here, Jim? I can't catch it 10. I can't catch it 10, my father. Alright, then I hear what you say. And y'all laugh, Cubans. 10, 9 more to go, you hear, boy? Yeah, man, peeps, 9 more to go without delay, you know, so get down back to some fishing. This is a pilot, you know? So, 1 this out of 10. 1 and counting. You know, help me count, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, second one that out of the 10, you know? Yeah. How will I laugh? How will I laugh? Say it can't happen, watch ya. Ah, this bridging. Nice go small bridging, you know what I mean, peeps? Cause Cuban say it couldn't happen, you know. See it there? Nice go bridging. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So, this is my second one. So, 8 more to go. When you don't know. Yeah, man, still a whole half a foot, you know. Sun a glisten out here, you know, peeps, you see me? Yeah, man. See there? Yeah, man, peeps. The third one, this is another pilot, you know. I know I'm not catch nothing amusing yet. And boy, I would really want for wow an idea here, you know. You see me? Catch something beautiful. I know it's gonna happen still, but my third one this. So we just go and keep it locked, peeps. You know? Hope something amazing happen, you know? I'm out here with a smile on my face. You don't know. AJ will have a foot down there, so you see me? We still have to go move from the location here, cause nothing go on. You see me? Pay fine and you see me? But we have catch something big today, so keep it locked. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So watch here again, people. My fourth one. My fourth one this, you know. And it's a pilot again. I don't like what I go on. 4 pilot, no. 1 parrot and 3 pilot. It's not a good look. One see snapper, one see parrot, one see jack. You see it, peeps? So, we are try again, you know. You see me? But the 4th one that out of the 10 when I tell you, you see me? Yeah, man. Keep counting. Yeah, man, peeps. So, see the 4 of them when I catch so far. You see me? 3 pilot, 1 parrot, you know? But here I go on now, peeps. I go head up waters, you know, because nothing go on here, so. So, I head up waters. What you say? Eh? Who? If bait left? Yeah, man, peeps, so. Move upstream, you know? See what can go on, because nothing go on down here, so. Yeah, man, so if you reach this far in our video, just hit the like button, man, hit the thumbs up. You see when I say share it to a friend and a family. Subscribe, you know? Yeah, man, so catch me up there, so. You see it, peeps? What go on the Cubans? Jesus almighty, Cuban! A big blue boy that, you know? Cubans, big blue boy that, you know? So you couldn't tell me know say you hold something, you know? Yo, hold him up, man. Hold him up, let the world see it, man. Dan proud of himself, you know. The biggest fish you catch in your life, that, though. What? The biggest fish shot, man. Oh, me think you say, Yo! What did you catch? Pilot. 1 pilot. Jesus Christ, no about 5 pounds of fish this. Eh? How the next one there? Peeps, the man pilot and the man fat blue parrot here, you know, man. You know what that man about 5 pounds of fish is, you know? Man no flap with sure. Can't talk to it done again. Say about 5 pounds that. Jesus almighty. Star boy feed there, you know. Star boy feed there, you know. Star boy, you know. Oh, you mean? Alright. Can't, what's that? Can't talk to you. Watch your teeth. Teeth. Can't talk to you, boss. How much have you catch now, my dad? You hold something? I think you hold something too. Oh, go on, I can't hold the boss. You done drop a pilot in a hole, people. Watch out. Done grab a pilot, you know, man. Drop in our hole, you know. Cubans! Cubans! Yo! Can't get one. Eh? Can't get one. Say me a boat and there, I if you catch one next one, you give me. Keep your fish, man. Boy, people, me never in no competition, you know. But look, boy, catch 2 fish and that type and we, you know. You look, 2 fish that come from doctor, you look, boy, draw out the water and start type. You see me? So me have to go turn up the gear now, you know, peeps. Watch how I go on. Just watch how I go on. You know, count with me. Can you guys see the dolphin? Yeah, man, see the dolphin there. And a dolphin, a seal. A seal. Boom, boom. Then know them there, Jamaica. Boomba! Seco! You see we now come up back, you know? You now come up back, you know? Me never know them to that Jamaica, brother. Boomba! See that boy, Boomba? Yeah, boy, Boomba, IQ, you see that? Yeah, man, paper, so here, J, do them. Me and Cubans alone upon the rock, you know, when the peeps. You see me? So, 4 o'clock, we are left about 5, you know. So, Cubans are behind fish, them a drop off, you know. We don't know how to jump in him today and get 2 fish and hype up himself, you know. But, we out here, you know, like normal, doing the right thing. Heart of love, yeah, then a broad, big up on yourself. Keep it locked. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so, you know, that's EG. And Cubans cut left me, you see me? But from them gone, let me show you where I catch peeps. That and that. You get what I say? So I lick down 3 other fish, me just catch a one in the peeps, you see me? A guard, you see me, as you see him not up my line still, so I guess me have to go bust it. And you know, set it up back, but them there me 3 catch since them gone, you know? You know, say, I can't bring the action to no live when me a jar them in. You get what I say? Because I have to use my hand, pull in the fish them. So the camera, I can't hold the camera at the same time. You see it, peeps? So see it there? Nice, man. I'm pretty. Nice fat parrot, you know? Yeah, man. Yard. Keep it locked, man. Peeps, one more catch I did to it, you know. This is a white link, people. You see me? This are the fish we explore, say, poison, you see me? So, right now, first me I catch one, him always catch him, but him don't eat them. But, peeps, want to comment and tell me, you know, because I just put him down. Tell me if it's a fish you can eat, you see me? Yeah, man, see me a white ling, you know? Based on when me hear them very poisonous, but I feel say, I feel test it, you see it? Why? Nah, lie your peeps, see him there? I'm afraid, and yet still me I test him still, so peeps just go and keep it locked, you know what I mean? And peeps, and me alone left for see, you see me? So na boy long, you know? IQ and age gone home, you see me? So me out here I go and, you know, finish off the bait, you know, not much bait, you get what I say? So from them gone, so far I catch 4, you see me? 1 parrot, 1 butterfish, a piper fish and now a white thing, you see peeps, so yeah man, things looking up. So just go and keep it locked to the channel, peeps. Remember, you see me? Leave a like, man, you see me? Comment, subscribe, you see it? Maxine Garrison, big up yourself, you see it? Yeah, man. Maria, big up yourself, same way. Steve, the general, big up yourself, same way, you see me? College Jugs, the whole entire, you see me? JLB family, you see him? Yeah, man, ride or die. You get what I say? Uncle Alpha, big up yourself, same way. Yeah man, we out here and do it, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man, peeps, another parrot. Nice size one. See him get caught over him high, my peeps. Yeah man. Down the ramp, get knocked. Show him over land there. Yeah man, another beautiful one, you know? Yeah man. No, it'll get a bit late, so make a couple more throughout and see what we can, not we, me, where we can, you know, one more we can catch. So yeah man, couple more minutes out here, then you know, so yo, see if we can go now and cooking tomorrow, you know, with them when we catch, you know, don't know it, peeps. So just go and keep it locked, man. Hopefully we catch a few more, you know. Yeah man, heart of love, man, yard and abroad. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, my peeps, another lovely parrot, you know. Yeah man, peeps, one thing me sorry say, me can't show no the action when me a jar them in, peeps. But look there, Another lovely one, peeps. You see me? Yeah. Beautiful. Just come out of the water fresh. Yeah, man. See what I go on? Lovely, don't? Yes, man. Jeez. So look at that now, peeps. I catch another one, you know, but you what? I don't know if I'm going to drop off in another lovely one, you know. You get me, peeps, but him stuck on a line. We go cross the water, so honestly, I don't know if I'm going to drop off. I try get him in. You get me? Me see him? Nice blue one that, you know, peeps. You get me? Almighty. Look at that. Pretty done. Try get him out still. Yeah, man, peeps. I see it there. I get him up without losing him. So there's another one that to Italy, you know. Yeah, man. So, peeps, the reason why you see him change color is because from me catch him and throw him out, me did have to out there. You know? I try out this, I try free off the line, you know, because it did not up on another loose line. I don't know whose line it is, but, you know. But we get him on the line, you know, you know, people, that are the greatest thing. So we add him to the tally. You get what I say? So it's another parrot this. You get me? Alright. Wow, another one. People, another nice bridging, you know. You get what I say? Nice bridging that one, yeah. Yeah. What? You see it? Yeah, man, me a mash them up, you know. About 4 to 5 parrot me catch already, people. Took on that one, yeah. Nice bridging, man. So, you don't know it, come on, look there. Lovely. Lovely. Them my name fresh from sea to pot in the peeps. Look there. Lovely. I'm going to do a little cook food tomorrow, peeps. I swear. Because I can't do it today again, you know. Because it's done late, but look. Yes, man. Lovely. Yeah, man, peeps. So we are headed out to land now, you see me? I don't know where I go. So I just want to keep it locked for the next episode of this video. Yeah, man, which is the cooking episode, you see it? So, just go and keep it locked. Here, peeps? Heart of love, man. Blessings.